Alright, I'm just here on my job, chilling on standby. Broke the damn diff cup right there. But if one breaks, you might as well replace them all, right? Got all four of them upgraded. Same ones I put on my Xbox. These things are pretty beefy. Pretty beefy. Well, time to do it. Just gotta pull all the upper pins off and swap them one by one. Getting paid to work on my RC. Alright, since I'm in here anyway, doing the upgraded diff cups, might as well do the captured hinge pin kit. The hardened ones. So I have no pop outs. And I gotta pull out these 2.5 hexes, take the rear bumper off, then get to the 2 hinge pins. Got my tail fin off. Gotta get in here, I gotta pull my pins, pull my diff cups, and the rear will be done. Pull the little hinge holders, but on the inside, I'm gonna have to, right there, I'm gonna have to pull that with the arm off, then slide in the nut on this side. So I'll have the whole pin going in this way, then put the nut. Probably a little easier to get to than the X-Max actually. Just chilling right here. Got a nice little bud place over there. Big gate, it's cool. Get a nice smell in the summer. Well, either way, got the pin off, got the shock out. Oh, I need to cut that zip tie. Darn it. But either way, everything's off. Now I can get to this. Tie disengaged. Boom. Whole arm comes out. That's all it is. Pulled up 2 pins and now I can get to it. Can get to this diff cup. Alright. Oh my, I forgot. There's 2 more. Gotta do those hinge pins too, so I gotta take off the whole tire. Gotta get to that nut, 17. But since my diff cup was broken, it didn't matter. I'm still gonna have to hold this with my vice grips. Time to get the impact out. Got my vice grips holding the axle. Got my 17 with my little brushed impact. The brush just has too much power, so I really don't like stripping stuff with it. Time to get it. Let's get it and see if it'll hold. Oh yeah. Yup. Yeah, my new XRT is completely stock. Stock axles, stock pins. Had the stock gears. Everything was stock. I just put the light kit on it. Change those gears up. Time to get going. Yeah, good thing I'm taking the diff cup off, because look at that. There you go. It's loose. Come on, camera. There we go. Came right off, nothing. Yep. Dang, look at that. That thing just popped right off. Nice and sharp like. Oh, time to put the new one in. Let's do a little side comparison. Dang, look at that. There's a big difference. Well, they hold up in my X-Max. Should hold up in this. A lot less power anyway. Right. The lower pins, upper pins. What are these, the corners? Oh, these are the lowers. Lowers, uppers. Then these are the shock ones. I think these are the upper. Got the drill bit on. Just gotta send it through. And then the arms. When I was putting in the rears for the captured bolt, I had to drill a little hole right here to make room for the nut. Otherwise it wasn't fitting for the captured bolt one. Other than that, they go in there pretty easy. So this is the second rear one I do. Then I'll do the front after lunch. Yep. Right, on the front, decided to leave the bumper on. I didn't want to take it off. Then I take off that diff cup. See, it's pretty flexible, so should be able to get in there pretty easy. Took all the pins off, left this connected. Should be about the same as the rear. Alright, check it out. These are the stock ones. Ones I pulled off for my XRT. And look at that. That one's almost gone. That was the other rear. This one right here was the other rear, and these were the two fronts. So they were all going. I just swapped them all. Time to work on the X-Max. You got a wide kit for it. Put the light up. Yeah. Go. Street to myself. It's only with 4622 gearing. And I blew the glue on the other tire, so I gotta re-glue that. Oh, I almost got that curve. Still getting paid. Got about 10 minutes left on the clock. Alright, time to call it quits. Came out pretty good. Good night, y'all. Alright, upgrading the lighting on the XRT. Putting in the light bar in the bumper. Then I'm putting a bunch of hot glue on the back so it doesn't bend or flex and break it. Heard a lot of reviews about it breaking or chipping, but hot glue should make it last longer. If not, then I'll just buy a whole new front bumper and call it.